Hi, my name is Jay Harkins. I'm a research scientist at Protein Discovery. Today I will demonstrate how easy it is to use the new GELFREE 8100 fractionation system to achieve high recovery molecular weight based fractionation. Using GELFREE, you can load up to 1 milligram of total protein per channel and reproducibly fractionate up to 8 samples in about 90 minutes. So the system includes an instrument, disposable cartridge, and all the buffers you need to perform the experiment. So let's get started.
Begin this procedure by setting up and labeling up to 8 500 microliter tubes. To each tube, add up to 1 milligram of the protein sample in a volume of up to 112 microliters. The amount of protein in the sample depends on the complexity of the sample. For more complex samples, such as the tissue homogenate used for this demonstration, 150 to 200 micrograms per channel will generate the best results. Next, add 30 microliters of 5x sample buffer, which is provided in the GELFREE cartridge kit, to each protein sample. Add 8 microliters of 1 molar DTT, then adjust each sample with water to a final volume of 150 microliters. Then, heat the vials for 5 minutes at 95 degrees Celsius to denature the sample. Allow the heated samples to cool to room temperature. While the samples cool, remove the GELFREE 8100 cartridge from the foil pouch. Remove and discard the plate seal.